Welcome to the video on continuous improvement and innovations in HR. Mind you, continuous improvement is usually the Japanese term for it is Kaizen. We would have heard the term Kaizen more often than not. It is all about incremental improvement. So yes, we'll talk about the continuous improvement and innovations in HR. From traditional to modern HR practices. From traditional was when everything was legibly noted down in a register. From traditional is when everything was paper based, everything was documented. And to the modern HR practices, or which I say the smart HR practices, is where everything gets rid of the traditional medium or mode on the paper based. It gets digitized. Now if you have to apply for a leave, you apply it on a portal, and that gets approved by your supervisors and perhaps by the managers before it gets being monetized for your, or should I say, it gets deducted from the leave that you are entitled for. Now, this is how things have improved from traditional to modern, and it does not relate only to the administrative purpose as far as wages collection, leaves and all. It has been done through recruitment. It is been done there in training. It is done there in management. So, fostering a culture of continuous improvement in human resources, promote continuous learning, promote continuous development, implement regular Kaizen events, establish a suggestion system or suggestion box. Use data and metrics to drive improvement. Foster open communication and collaboration. Recognize and reward continuous improvement. Create a culture of accountability as the case might be. Challenges faced. Identifying obstacles to innovate in HR through continuous improvement is crucial for success of any organization. By addressing these challenges heads on, the HR professional can pave the way for more efficient and innovative work environment thereby. What are we looking at out? The empowering our audiences, we are trying to connect with them. We are trying to make some sort of relatability on the basis of company and their requirement, their attitude, their belief system. So visualize them, make impactful images which actually captures their eyeballs, inspire, share stories of success. Innovation framework is all about project plan, implementing a structured approach to HR innovation. Stage one is all about research and analysis. Stage two is all about prototyping and designing, and the last stage is all about testing, feedback, and integration as a system. Now, remember, this is all the three stages for innovation framework. Stage one, again, I repeat, is all about research and analysis. Stage two is all about prototype and design. Stage three is all about testing, integration, and feedback thereby. Encouraging innovations in HR processes, creating an open and inclusive learning, leverage technology and automation, foster continuous learning environment, encourage risk taking and experimentation, use data analytics for decision making, promote collaboration and cross functional team, establish formal innovation program, recognize and reward innovation thereby. Technology integration, leveraging incorporate digital tools strategically, enhancement, optimize HR process with innovation thereby, as on when on basis. You talking about employee engagement? Yes, having a culture of innovation, foster them. Culture of innovation is very important for the growth and essential for continuous improvement in HR. Empowering employees to actively engage in the process can lead to remarkable outcome. Have key people in places, have people who are accessible to each of the employees. Ensure that they are being free, they can be contacted in multiple number of ways: their mobile number, their cell number, their email ID, their personal email ID, their um, social media handlings. Anything and everything can be given out. Measuring success, remember, success is what we are looking into it. I've just given you to drive continuous improvement. It is a crucial for effectively measuring success by defining and tracking metrics. We're talking about key performance indicators for HR innovation. Organization can ensure that they are on the right path towards their goals. I'm just giving an example as to which all things have been in favor with the crowd as far as chocolate bars are concerned, granola bars are concerned, ice cream bars are concerned, and crow bars are concerned. People might be having different equipment for different kind of product altogether. So yes, can we improve? Can we have Kaizen, continuous improvement? Look from for a 1 year perspective. Everything's been in place is all about strategic HR vision. If you are planned it around it, the vision is now clear altogether, and probably we are striving for an agile HR practices. We are innovating or redeveloping all the HR practices thereby. And as a result, what happens is settles down, and if there are any problems and if there are any issues, this is where the innovation workshops can be ironing it out before the employee feedback loop gets in. Anticipating HR innovations, the development and the trends in the latest round. Now look at what the innovation cycle is all about. It all starts from the top management support. If you look into it, the top management support will always assess what is happening within the company and outside the company as far as external and internal learning, thereby identifying any opportunities which they can capture, or they can encash. The HR innovation design is where if there are any opportunities, they will set in places. The HR innovation implementation will actually put through, been executed, which will eventually add values all together for the HR recognition. This is going on a loop function, which will happen time and again as on when on basis. The seven HR best practices is providing security to the employees. One of the most common thing that goes around here. If there are late night shift and if there are ladies working in your company, if you can provide a drop into their home, they will actually value you. There will be quality manpower joining you. There will be highly talented people working for you. Why? Because they're confident that you will take care, you as a company will take care of them. Providing security to the employees, selecting, hiring, and if possible, hiring the right people. Next is all about self-managed and effective teams. This is something which we would love to go have. People should be self-starter. People should not be coached time and again and being said, asked to do what needs to be done. Fair and performance-based compensation, something which will be cost-based actually. Training in relevant skills, creating a flat egalitarian organization. Absolutely, there are no hierarchies to be built in and making information much more readily accessible to those who actually want to have it. The HR trends, if we may say so, it's a lot of it. We started with COVID-19, things went place, and then we had the remote work model, the work from home model we started, and now it is a remote work for model. You can work from remote places. Employee experiences is much more that has been on count. Online training and upskilling. There's a lot of certification, a lot of training that has been important, being standardized, being accepted by the corporate world is what has been happening. Employee well-being and mental health is never been compromised. Cloud-based HR system, everything is been stored on the cloud. Definitely, yes, people can access provided they have the eligibility to access the information. People analytics, um, giving performances its wing, tooth and nails. Virtual onboarding is happening of late. You did not come on board to the onboarding experiences as far as in-person presence in the company's premises. And yes, the latest is the AI, the artificial intelligence in the HR, as the case might be. Last but not the least is your call to action button, where you have to come across, ensure people know what to do in case they find a flaw, they are finding an impediment, or they want to just provide a suggestion what to do, where to do. You should be giving a physical address, you should be giving your phone number, you should be giving your email ID, you should be giving your social media contacts if possible, and that is what we are looking forward to. With this, I come to an end of this video. Thank you for watching the video till the end.